Okay, here we have these two integrals, and as you can see, for this one, we have sine square x, and for this one, this is just sine to the first power x. Let's see. Both of them on the top, they have the cosine x. And we know the derivative of sine x gives us cosine x, so that's a big hint. I think this right here is actually easier for me to demonstrate, so let me do this first. I will just take the u to be 1 plus sine x, because if I differentiate 1, I get 0 anyway, so I'll have the 1 right here as well. So here we go. Let u equal to 1 plus sine x, and then du equals derivative 1 is 0, and the derivative sine x is cosine x dx. And as we can see, on the top, we have exactly cosine x times dx, and that is our du. So that's nice. And with that being said, we can take this to the u world right away. The integral, and we have 1 over. This right here is just u. And then all that is our du. So right here, we can just say the answer is natural log of absolute value. Inside is just u, and you put this back for the u, 1 plus sine x. And we are done. That's it. Well, for this one, if you let u equal to the whole thing, let me just put this down right here for you guys. If you let u equal to the whole denominator, 1 plus sine square x. This is not so good, because when you differentiate this, the derivative 1 is 0. The derivative of sine square x, don't forget to do the power rule and also the chain rule. You have to bring the 2 to the front, so you have 2 sine x to the first power, and you have to multiply by the derivative inside, so you end up with another cosine here. This and the top, they are not exactly the same, right? I don't think this is going to work out nicely, so I'm not going to continue. So here's the deal. Don't forget this right here means sine x in the parentheses and then square. So I will just write this down right here for you guys real quick. Cosine x over 1 plus parentheses sine x and then square and then dx. With that being said, let me just take u to be sine x. And this is going to work out really nicely as well, because du is equal to cosine x dx. Just the inside, okay? Just the inside. And then you see that on the top, we have du again. So that's really nice. So now, this is the integral. On the top, I'll just put down 1 over, and then the du will be on the side right here. And for the denominator this time, we will actually get 1 plus, and this is the u. So we have the u square like this. And you have to ask yourself, the derivative of what will give us 1 over 1 plus u squared? And the answer for that is inverse tangent. So this right here gives us inverse tangent of u, and u is sine x, so I'll just put that inside right away, like this. Okay? And we are done. Put plus c, and this is it.